If you live in Washington, D.C., you understand the importance of energy efficiency. The city experiences a wide range of weather conditions, from hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters, and keeping your home comfortable year-round can be a challenge without the right insulation. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's energy efficiency is through window installation. Upgrading your windows not only improves the aesthetic of your home but can also reduce your energy bills, increase comfort, and reduce your environmental impact. Here's how Washington, D.C. window installation can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency. Reducing heat loss and gain. One of the primary functions of energy-efficient windows is to reduce heat transfer between the inside and outside of your home. In Washington, D.C., temperatures can fluctuate greatly throughout the year, and without the right windows, a significant amount of energy can be lost through air leaks, poorly insulated frames, and single-pane glass. This results in increased reliance on your heating and cooling systems, which can drive up your energy bills. By installing high-performance windows, such as double or triple pane windows, you can significantly improve insulation. These windows have multiple layers of glass with insulating gases like argon or krypton between them. This design reduces the amount of heat that escapes during the winter and keeps cool air inside during the summer. In turn, your HVAC system works less to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, lowering your energy consumption and reducing your utility bills. Improved air sealing and reduced drafts. Even the most beautiful windows can be ineffective if they don't have a proper seal. In older homes in Washington, D.C., windows are often the source of air leaks that cause drafts. When warm air escapes in the winter or cool air leaks out in the summer, your home becomes less comfortable and your energy costs rise. New windows, especially those installed by professionals, come with tight seals that help prevent drafts and keep your home well insulated. In addition to improving insulation, new windows are also designed with advanced weather stripping and caulking, further preventing air from infiltrating or escaping through gaps. This means fewer cold spots and more consistent temperatures throughout your home, leading to a more comfortable living environment year-round. Minimizing UV damage. Another way that windows can improve energy efficiency in your home is by minimizing the effects of ultraviolet, UV, light. Washington, D.C.'s sunny days can bring about considerable sun exposure, leading to fading and damage to your furniture, flooring, and decor. Standard windows allow a significant amount of UV rays to penetrate into your home, which can cause your interiors to deteriorate over time. Energy-efficient windows are equipped with low emissivity coatings, which block harmful UV rays while allowing natural light to filter in. These coatings reduce the amount of UV light that enters your home, preserving your furniture, rugs, and artwork from fading. As a bonus, these windows also contribute to energy savings by reducing the amount of heat entering your home, making your HVAC system more efficient. Soundproofing and comfort. Energy-efficient windows also offer improved sound insulation, which can enhance your comfort in noisy urban areas like Washington, D.C. Newer windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, help reduce the amount of outside noise entering your home, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. This is particularly important if you live near a busy street, airport, or train station, where noise pollution can impact your quality of life. By installing windows that minimize sound transmission, you create a more serene atmosphere and reduce the need to constantly adjust your thermostat to compensate for temperature fluctuations. A quieter home is not only more comfortable, but it also contributes to energy efficiency by reducing the need for additional heating or cooling. Long-term savings and environmental benefit. In addition to the immediate energy savings that come from replacing old windows with new, energy-efficient models, you'll also experience long-term benefits. Over time, the energy savings add up, meaning that your new windows will pay for themselves. You may also be eligible for tax credits or rebates from local or federal programs that encourage energy-efficient home improvements. Furthermore, by improving your home's energy efficiency, you're reducing your carbon footprint. With less reliance on energy-consuming heating and cooling systems, you're helping to reduce overall energy consumption and contribute to a more sustainable environment. Replacing windows is one of the most effective ways to lower your environmental impact while also saving money. Increased home value. Energy-efficient windows can also boost your home's resale value. Today's home buyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient features that will save them money in the long term. When it comes time to sell your home in Washington, D.C., having upgraded windows will make your property more attractive to potential buyers. The value of your home can rise significantly as buyers are willing to pay more for homes that are energy efficient, well insulated, and equipped with modern windows. Conclusion. Window installation is a powerful upgrade that can significantly improve the energy efficiency of your home in Washington, D.C. From reducing heat loss and minimizing UV damage to improving air sealing and enhancing soundproofing, new windows offer numerous benefits that not only help you save money but also make your home more comfortable and eco-friendly. With rising energy costs and growing awareness of environmental issues, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is an investment that pays off in both the short and long term. If you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, reduce utility bills, and increase your property's value, consider scheduling a window installation project today. Your home and your wallet will thank you.